siya sa mga garbo sa Subo, gumikan siyang talento di lang senatad sa musika, kundi lakik na usab sa teatro. Siya si E.G. Arganza, kinsa 23 anyos ug lumad nga taga Cebu. Nahimo siyang kampyon sa Himig Pinoy ni adtong tuig 2009 ug iya usab na angkon ng kampeonato sa halad sa kabataan nga kompetisyon ni adtong tuig 2017. Niadtong tuig 2012, nahimo siyang kampyon sa National Talent Variety Show sa Baguio City. Gumikan siyang lig-un nga talento, usa na siya karon sa mga nakalandig og dakong papel sa sikat nga musical drama nga Miss Saigon nga ipahigayon dito sa Guam. Karong buntaga, atong mahinabi ang multi-talented and multi-awarded Cebuana na si E.G. Arganza dinhi lang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Karong buntaga, atong makauban ang Cebuana kinsa nakaland og role sa sikat nga musical drama nga Miss Saigon. Let's all welcome E.G. Arganza. Mayong buntag, E.G. og welcome din sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag pod kaninyong tanan. Thank you for having me here.
E.G., before we start this interview, can you please sing any song para sa ato ang mga viewers just to spice up their morning?
They are not nice, they're mostly noise. They swear like men, they screw like boys. I know there's nothing in their hearts. But every time I take one in my arms, it starts the movie in my mind. Kana lang sa.
Wow, thank you so
Yeah.
much for that wonderful song, E.G.
But-
Mura na pud mig ni tan-aw og Miss Saigon or any play. And of course, E.G., congratulations ha for being the only Cebuana who landed a role sa Miss Saigon nga ipahigayon sa Guam. How excited are you for this opportunity?
Oh, I'm super duper excited for the show. It's so wonderful to have met new people from different places, different countries.
We're so proud of you, E.G. Busa, with that, can you please share to us kung unsa ni imuhang very important role sa Miss Saigon and how did the producers pick you during the audition process?
Oh, so my role in the show is Gigi. She's one of the female leads. Yes, and she sings the first dramatic song in the show. So, yeah, that's Gigi. And actually, to be honest, I have worked with Miss Saigon's director for the Rent musical way back 2018 here in Guam din, wherein I played the role of Mimi. And he contacted me even after the audition process to join this production, Miss Saigon, here on Guam. And he assigned me to play Gigi. I thank God for this great opportunity to perform in one of the best musicals of all time. So yeah.
And you have joined a lot of performances and competitions. Ug karon, you became a part of this very famous na theater performances sa tibuok kalibutan. How is this going to be different sa uban nimong mga performances?
It's quite different because the musicals I've done before are more like modern, such as The Lost Anthem, There's a Cebu in 2016. And Rent also. I did Rent here on Guam and also in Dumaguete, and Rent is a rock musical also. But Miss Saigon is very different. Songs are really classic. The songs are timeless.
How did you prepare for Miss Saigon, E.G.?
Ooh, I've only had a limited time to prepare for this show since I was just, contacted over a month before I flew in here. The audition process was already done too. And since the pandemic started, all my gigs, akong mga performances have stopped. So I found another source of income, a stable source of income, which is totally different from what I love doing. I was doing online English teaching. After 2 years being stuck at home, being stuck in the dark, that one call from our director changed everything.
And of course, EG, aside from this really big opportunity for you, it's also an opportunity to be working with others. Kisa mga kauban nimo, kumusta ang inyong bonding sa mga kauban sa Miss Saigon?
Oh, actually, most of us are Filipinos. Miss Saigon always has Filipinos, but there are also people from New York, Oregon, USA, Hong Kong, Saipan, and some of the cast are from Poland, Vietnam.
This time, throwback na sabta, EG. When did you start becoming interested in singing, especially theater and other performances? Kisa mga influences nimo?
I started joining musical theater shows when I was 16 in 2016. Yes. And there is something in musical theater that I can really say that this is my comfort zone. I
Wow.
love being in this performing sector.
And EG, to end this interview, unsay mensahe nimo para sa ato ang mga kapuso viewers who are watching us right now?
Mahayong buntag, kaninyong tanan. Ako si EJ Arganza, proud bisdak. And please pray for me that I'd be able to give justice to my role as Gigi in Miss Saigon, Guam. And yes, love you all. God bless everyone. Take care always.
And
Thank you.
Godspeed to you as well, EG. We're so proud of you.
Salamat kaayo. Thank you for having me.